Good morning, everyone. The topic that I will be presenting is all about pickles. We will define what is pickles, and we'll also tackle the history of pickles, and we will also discuss how pickles in the industry plays, and also the importance of pickles. And most importantly, I will also demonstrate a homemade pickles, no, that we can apply in our homes. Now, pickles are vegetables or fruits that have been preserved in a brine or salt water solution. It could be in the vinegar or other acidic solution. So the process of pickling involves usually anaerobic fermentation, put it in a brine or immersion in vinegar, which results in a food product with a distinct texture and extended shelf life. So, in the history, the ancient origins, the practice of pickling dates back a thousand years ago, with evidence suggesting it began in the Tigris Valley, which is a modern day Iraq, around 2400 BCE. Global spread, the technique spread to other civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. So in the Middle Ages, pickling became crucial preservation method in medieval Europe. In the modern era, pickling evolved from a necessity to a culinary tradition with the advent of canning and refrigeration. Now, pickles in the industry uh, plays in commercial production. Major producers operate globally with significant markets in the US, India, Japan, and Europe. Market varieties, there are diverse products from traditional cucumber pickles to kimchi or sauerkraut and akar. Artisanal and craft pickles, growing market for small batch and artisanal pickles. For culinary uses, uh, these are widely used in sandwiches, burgers, condiments, side dishes, and various recipes. Now, what are the importance of pickles? First and foremost is the preservation, so it extends shelf life and prevents spoilage. It has a nutritional value. It retains nutrients. It provides probiotics or fermented pickles, and it has a flavor enhancement. It adds unique flavors and textures. For cultural significance, it represents culinary heritage and regional flavor. For economic impact, it contributes to the economy, supports small businesses and artisanal producers. Health benefits offers benefits such as improved digestion and antioxidant.